Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, September 10, 2024. The Maritime Authority of Jamaica, MAJ, in collaboration with the Port Authority of Jamaica, is taking significant steps to implement a maritime single-window system. This initiative aims to streamline the processes for the arrival, stay, and departure of ships at Jamaica's ports. MAJ Director General Bertrand Smith made the announcement during a JIS think tank on Friday. He explains that Jamaica is taking steps towards becoming a signatory to the 1965 Convention of the Facilitation of Maritime Traffic. A key requirement of the FAL Convention is the digitalization of maritime procedures through a centralized platform for electronic ship clearance.
We can electronically clear ships. Ships need to be cleared by customs, by PICA, by Ministry of Health, and others before they can come to a berth.
The Director General says the benefits of the maritime single window are twofold, as the system will also reduce emissions.
We want to remove the paper-based system to go to an electronic system, which will allow for faster turnaround times and reduction in emissions because the ships no longer have to wait to get a berth.
Since January 1, 2024, member states of the International Maritime Organization that are party to the FAL Convention are required to use a single centralized digital platform or maritime single window to collect and exchange information with ships that call at a port. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Obin Hill, reveals that the government is aiming to train 3,000 engineers to increase local capacity in this field. This is to capitalize on the more than $500 billion of public investment planned for over the next 5 years.
We have one for every 3,300, and we're not even close. You see what we need. But right now, until they come, wholly for work for engineers. These projects, long dreamed of by others, are now being planned and executed by the Andrew Holness administration, underscores the transformative power of engineering.
Senator Hill was addressing the opening of the 2024 Engineers Week Conference and Expo hosted by the Jamaica Institution of Engineers on Monday. The event is being held under the theme, Engineering, Preserving a Legacy, Embracing Sustainability, and Driving Technology, pointing to the many investments planned and taking place for road, housing, schools, water and sewerage infrastructure, public parks, police and fire stations, tax offices, courthouses, and many more. The minister says the demand for engineers is ever increasing.
And every step of the way, engineers are involved. Because in government, we can't do any work without we have good engineers in there and professional engineers. Engineering lies at the core of modern infrastructure development in any country, and certainly in our nation. Creates linkages that will continue to drive economic growth, enhance the country's technical skills, facilitate exports, I'll talk to you about that a little bit, and improve the standard of living for very many Jamaicans.
7 members of the judiciary have been sworn in to serve as judges in the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court. The appointments were made by Governor General Sir Patrick Allen during a ceremony yesterday. 2 were appointed acted judges of appeal, 1 as puisne judge, 3 as acting puisne judges, and 1 as acting master in chamber. While congratulating the appointees, the Governor General saluted them for their wisdom, patience, and steadfast commitment to justice.
Taking your judicial oath today is not simply a formality. It reflects a commitment to serving the country with integrity. Judges are revered for upholding principles of independent judgment, resisting improper influences, while maintaining the highest ethical standards in all these matters.
Responding on behalf of his colleagues, Justice Kisak Leng said they were honored to be allowed to serve their country and play their part in nation building.
We undertake to discharge our duties judiciously and impartially in accordance with the oaths we have taken. In doing so, we will be decisive and firm, but also balanced, respectful, and empathetic.
The Ministry of Education and Youth has announced a groundbreaking initiative to integrate artificial intelligence, AI, and adaptive technology into school curriculums. The move is part of the ministry's broader efforts to modernize Jamaica's education sector while preserving core educational values. Senior Director for Information and Communications Technology in the ministry, Tyrone Anderson, made the announcement during a recent AI Web3 pedagogy seminar in Kingston. He was representing Portfolio Minister Favour Williams. Mr. Anderson emphasizes that while the ministry embraces technological advancements, the foundational principles of education remain unchanged.
As we take this leap, we are not discarding the foundational values that define education, the warmth of human understanding, the personal touch of a dedicated teacher, and the lifelong mentorship that extends far beyond the four walls of a classroom.
He stresses that the ministry has already made significant strides in integrating AI into Jamaica's education system.
We have developed draft policy guidelines for the use of AI in schools and have embarked on extensive training initiatives. Teachers, school leaders, and even students are being equipped to harness the power of AI to optimize their workflows and enhance their lesson planning.
In addition, Mr. Anderson points out that AI-powered tools are having a profound impact on students with disabilities, making education more accessible and personalized. And finally, the University of Technology, Utch, has officially launched its Open School of Lifelong Learning and Professional Development. Located at its main campus in Papine, the new Open School aims to provide specialized programs for secondary learners with limited access to traditional educational pathways. This initiative will cater to a diverse range of students, both locally and internationally, while also addressing the evolving needs of businesses and organizations. During the launch, Minister of Education and Youth, Favour Williams, lauded Utch for its forward-thinking approach.
Today we mark not just the opening of a new arm of Utch, but the beginning of a transformative journey. We know that the world is changing rapidly, so the ability to adapt and grow is not just a valuable asset, it is a necessity.
Minister Williams emphasized that the new school's mission aligned with the government's goal of expanding educational opportunities for all Jamaicans.
We believe in the power of education, not only as a transformative tool, but we also believe that it is a basic, fundamental human right for every fellow Jamaican.
The Utch Open School is structured into 4 key components. The Utch Academy provides pre-university education through interventions such as the 6th Form Pathway Program and offers CSEC and CAPE subjects. The Utch Executive Education offers corporate training in areas such as management, leadership, marketing, sales, strategy, and business analytics. The third component, Professional Studies, focuses on STEM fields, offering short courses and professional certifications. And the Tech Skills program delivers technical short courses in emerging fields like cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, robotics, and computer programming. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.